Guys, and today, hey guys, it is Cat Lover 3 on Robux, and today I'm going to show you some stuff that you haven't known with tricks with fidget spinners. Wait, I need to turn my light here back. I'm going to show you some tricks you don't know about fidgets, or some, okay, that's what I was saying. I'm going to do some tricks and some stuff you haven't known to do with fidget spinners. So let's get started. Okay, I have this fidget right here, and this little piece from pants. Might be wondering what I'm gonna do with this. Now you're gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. Just go like that, and I'm going to spin it. Dude, you see? Cool, huh? Kinda. Okay, this one is kinda cool. And you can trick people that you think you're holding it like that. There's like a little hole or something. Well, that's not happening. This, it has like the little code bar, so as you know, I'm not like tricking you guys. Spin it, and then it's kind of cool, so you can people can see that oh my god, you're doing something I don't know. Yeah, I just thought it was gonna be cool to do something with this. So, boom. Can we get this one? And then right there, they won't hit each other. Sorry, they won't hit each other. So I'm suggesting I should do that. Oh, is it gonna work? I know. Oh, it's cool. Oh, you see? Yeah, I just thought it would be cool to do this. Oh. Yeah, this tape is not good enough. What if? Okay. Wait. How did this stick? So what I'm gonna do is just do this, and then put this on top. Put this on top, and then and I just thought it would be cool to do this. So see you guys later. Bye.